In this video, we are going to solve simple Python if else question in HackerRank. So question states that given an integer n, perform the following conditional actions. So the first condition is if n is odd, means if the given number is odd, we need to print weird. So here we have already taken, they have already given n which is taking input. So n is basically the number which will be given by user, and we need to print whether the number is weird or not weird based on the conditions given in the question. So if n is odd, we need to print weird. So what we'll do is we'll write condition if n modulo 2. Here modulo operator means operator returns the remainder. So if we do n modulo 2 means any number modulo 2, for example 3, number given by the user is 3 and we do 3 modulo 2, remainder will be 1. So if n modulo 2 not equal to 0 means if the remainder is 0, that means it is divisible by 2 and it's an even number. So we'll type if n modulo 2 not equal to 0, which means it will be an odd number. Therefore we'll take one variable result and we'll store the answer as weird. Now the next condition states that if n is even and in the inclusive range of 2 to 5, print not weird. So next condition states that if the user inputs an even number and in the inclusive range means from 2 to 5 means 2, 3, 4, 5 all are included. So if the number is even and in the range of 2 to 5, we need to print not weird. So we'll type L if n modulo 2 equal to 0 means if n is an even number and if it's in the range of 2 less than, if n is in the range of 2 less than equal to n less than equal to 5, then we'll put the answer as not weird in the result variable. Now the next condition is if n is even and in the inclusive range of 6 to 20, print weird. So we'll take another condition L if n modulo 2 equals 0 means if it's n is an even number, and the another condition is it should be in the range of 6 to 20. So similar to above condition, we'll type 6 less than equal to n less than equal to 20. So we are writing less than equal to because we 6 and 20 both are inclusive. So we'll store weird as the answer in our result variable. And the last condition is if n is even and greater than 20, print not weird. Now since we have completed all the above three conditions, there is no need to write again elif. We can directly write else and we can put the answer as not weird in the result variable, and at the very end we'll return result. And now let's run our code. So it has passed all the test cases. Now let's try to submit our code. And as you can see, we have completed with our Python if else question.